Although, to be fair, Jesus is usually not portrayed with a beard. I'm trying to think of the different images. I could be wrong about that. Don't hold
You
me
are
to that.
wrong about that.
Am I wrong about that?
You are 100% wrong about that.
No, I guess I don't know. Anyway, keep going.
Hang on, no. I got him right here. The bearded man.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That one does have a pretty good beard going on. Good call.
All right. Just saying. This right here is true doctrine. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, I guess you're right. A lot of them do have him with a beard. I've never paid any attention to that before. I feel really dumb now. You're right. Well, I guess we'll find out one day.
Now the real question is Jesus clean shaven today?
Hmm.
Does he follow the policy of the church? As he, once the 70s hit, did he shave?
Man, Jesus has a beard in every image. I've never paid any attention to it, bro. Like, never. I've never cared. So to your point, why does it matter if we have beards in the temple? It's a very good point.
That's one of the mysteries.
Yeah. Strange. Even the logo of the church in the Christus, he's got a beard.
No, here's what's even weirder. Okay, I know we're spending way too much time on this.
Way too much time on this.
But here's what's even weirder. I was going through the BYU code, right? Because I re-enrolled for some reason. That's a whole nother
conversation.
We all make mistakes. I'm making one. I've re-enrolled into online BYU Idaho. So I'm going through so they're like anti-beard still, BYU is. But they allow you to have a mustache.
Yeah.
Which is
true.
way worse. Like just a single mustache, way worse than having
I tend to think it's... Yeah, I would agree with that.
Yeah. Okay.
But you're going remotely, right? I mean, doesn't matter.
I don't got to worry about it since I'm a temple worker and they asked you to shave anyway. So
yeah, that's true. Okay.
This right here is about as bad as it gets. Okay,
man,
we spent too
much time on that. Let's keep going.
All right, language of revelation. So this is what's interesting because we just talked about that. You've had fear in your hearts, etc., and then it goes into some of the doubts that they've had about Joseph Smith's capacity to adequately present his revelations. So it says, your eyes have been upon my servant Joseph Smith, and his language you have known, and his imperfections you have known. So like they're aware of his weaknesses, like from an education perspective. And you've sought in your heart's knowledge that you might express beyond his language. So there were a lot of people who thought themselves more capable to write or scribe these revelations than Joseph Smith was. The Lord says, now seek ye out the book of commandments, even the least that is among you, and appoint him that is the most wise among you. Or if there be any among you that shall make one like unto it, then you are justified in saying, you do not know if they are true. But if you cannot make one like unto it, you're under condemnation if you do not bear record that they are true. So the Lord calls everyone out. Thank you for watching. If you found this content spiritually enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like the gospel, these little things make all the difference, and it helps the algorithm push out better content for everyone to enjoy on YouTube.